Hello and welcome to Saydo Manhattan site in the Costa del Sol in Spain. This is a resale home that is just come on the market on plot 242 on Saydo Manhattan. Now this is a Willerby Manor home and I will take you through and show you the benefits of this property. So the landscaping on this home has been done by the current owner. They've also got a shed on the decking here, which is included in the sale. I'll just walk up to the decking. This is the view to open countryside. So the owners actually paid for a larger, wider decking. So you have a really nice, wide, spacious area here. The shed, you could put lounges here. It's, as I said, it's extra wide on the side. They've got the outside double electric socket that the owners paid to have added. And then we'll go down the steps to the rear of the property. So outside tap as well, also added by the current owners. Coming round, this is the tub with the washing machine, the aircon unit here for the main bedroom. Let me just show you the side aspect of this property. So here we go. This is the sun. So the sun shines on this area all day, and at the very end of the day, just when the sun's about to go down, this is where you'll get your last bit of sun, just on these lounges here. The other thing to mention is the water filter that the current owners had fitted. So that means that the water from the sink is drinkable, so no need for bottled water. Coming around, we'll go back into the property. So as I said, this is a Willerby Manor. It's a Willerby Manor 2023, however, this was delivered brand new to site in September 2025. So this home really is as new, it's only been here a few months. Coming inside, okay, so we've got our kitchen area, dining area and lounge area. I'll come back to that in a moment. The kitchen, it's fully fitted. You have your microwave, gas hob, electric oven, which actually has never actually been used. Then coming across, you've got your integrated fridge freezer, and then your cupboard, coats and shoes type cupboard. Coming down the corridor, so this is grey carpet. We've then got the laminate again on this floor. This is the main bathroom. Coming around, and the shower, which is sort of as a 1.5 to 2 person type shower. Coming down, we then go into the guest room, which has got the 2 single beds, storage cupboards, side aspect window, and a wardrobe with some storage and some drawers and the mirror. Coming into the main bedroom, this is a king size bed. The owners paid to have air conditioning put into this room, and that's air conditioning that can do hot or cold. This bed is a lift up storage bed, so under there you have an awful lot of storage. So this is the main bedroom. Coming around, so you've got your wardrobe area behind the door there, and also you've got some built-in drawers and shelves in there as well. Your little vanity area, and then the ensuite, which is the toilets and sink, and then also in this room is the gas-fired central heating boiler. So that heats the radiators for the central heating and also the hot water. Coming back down through the corridor, so we're back to the lovely grey laminate. This is your dining area with a view, and then into the lounge. Now the owners have also popped an aircon unit in here. That's again, it's a hot and cold aircon. So in the winter, and it does get chilly in the mornings, you can pop that on for heating. In this room, you have a 3-seater, which is actually a sofa bed, coffee table, armchair, and then sort of the 2-seater love seat. And then obviously that's the aspect through to the kitchen. And as I said, the aircon unit there. Then we come through to the front decking. So this is your outside area. You've got your outside eating area, you've got your space for the barbecue, and then that's the shed that's included in the sale. this is your aspect when you sit and have your morning cup of coffee or your afternoon glass of wine. So it's absolutely lovely, beautiful and sunny, really peaceful and very private. As I said, coming around past the shed again, and then from this angle you really can see the width of the decking and the surrounding area. It's very peaceful and quiet here. Now this home, as I said, it was delivered new to site in September 2025, so it really is as new. It's available on the Caravans in the Sun website, or you can email the sales rep for Saydo Manhattan called Kiki, and her email address is saydo@caravansinthesun.com. Please get in touch and snap up this beautiful home.